How to load balance to AutoDS managed accounts using your PayPal account. So before we get started, I want to explain one thing. AutoDS managed account supports two different types of balance loading. The first one is using PayPal and the second one is using Pioneer. In this video I will talk about how to load balance using PayPal. If you want to load balance using Pioneer, you can watch the video below this video, and there we will have a link to a guide and a video about how to load balance using your Pioneer account. So let's focus in this video on how to load balance to AutoDS using PayPal account. So first of all, I go to the orders page, and here I will have the button of the load balance. Now if you don't have the button, it means that you need to opt in into the managed accounts system. To do that, you can also watch the video below this video, and there you will also see how to do that on the right way and how to opt in the service. So I will attach a link to another guide about how to opt in and another video too. So I click here the load balance, and then here I will have some things. First of all, this page will be empty, and there I will have one button of add payment account. I will click the add payment account and I will have a screen like that, where I should write the account name. You can write here anything that you want, for example your account, let's say PayPal 2, and here you should write your exact first and last name as it appears on PayPal. Then click on add payment account. After you click the add payment account, you will be transferred to PayPal. Now on PayPal you should log in into your account, and then you need to click agree and continue. Don't worry if you see here a credit card, it doesn't matter at all. What the credit card here means, it doesn't mean that you will be charged from this credit card. It just means that if you will not have balance on PayPal, so PayPal will charge you using this credit card. So agree and continue. And boom, I'm back now to AutoDS. Now I will have here your second PayPal account, or the first one that you just added here. You see that I had a typo here, but it doesn't matter. And then when you want to load balance, all what you do is that you choose here the amount that you want to load. Then you click here, you choose the right PayPal account that you want to use to load balance. It should be on status active. And then you just click add amount. Now, be aware that you have fees for loading balance using PayPal. The reason for these fees is because this is what we pay to PayPal to get payment from you. So this is why we charge extra for PayPal balance loading. Still, it's worth it for you, and it will make your life much easier and save you a lot of time. After you click the add amount, your PayPal account will be charged, and you will see your balance here. Managed accounts balance. Now from here and forward, any of your orders will be charged using this balance. If you get a refund because of return or something like that, the balance will back to your balance on AutoDS. I hope that everything is clear. See you in the other videos, and you can watch all of other tutorials about the managed accounts below this video. Bye bye.